Have you ever wondered how the universe in all its vastness came into existence? A question that has mystified humanity for ages. Today, the most widely accepted explanation for this cosmic mystery is the Big Bang theory. Let's take a journey back in time, beyond the birth of our sun, beyond the formation of galaxies, to a time when there was nothing, absolutely nothing, no space, no time, only a singularity. This singularity was infinitely small, infinitely hot, and infinitely dense. It contained all the energy that would eventually become our universe. Then, in less than a blink of an eye, an explosion of unimaginable scale occurred. This was the Big Bang, an event that set the stage for everything we know and see today. In that moment, the singularity expanded, creating space and time. Now, picture this. In the immediate aftermath of the Big Bang, the universe was a hot, dense soup of particles, rapidly expanding. As it expanded, it cooled, and these particles began to combine to form the first atoms, primarily hydrogen and helium. Over hundreds of millions of years, these atoms, drawn together by gravity, began to form stars. Stars grouped together to form galaxies, and within these galaxies, clouds of dust and gas began to collapse under their own gravity, forming planets. It's a mind-boggling concept to grasp, isn't it? How from a point of singularity an event of such magnitude could occur that it would lead to the formation of countless galaxies, stars and planets, each with its own story, its own timeline, its own set of cosmic circumstances. Our universe, the stage of this cosmic ballet, is a testament to the power and grandeur of the natural world. It's a story that's still unfolding, with new discoveries, new theories and new understanding constantly reshaping our perception of the cosmos. And so, from a singularity, the universe was born, setting the stage for a cosmic ballet of stars, galaxies and planets. This was the birth of the universe, an event that started it all. And we're still exploring its vastness, searching for answers and marveling at its beauty. In the wake of the universe's birth, matter began to organize itself into familiar structures. But how, you may ask? Well, let's delve into the captivating process of how galaxies, stars, and ultimately planetary systems come to be. After the Big Bang, the universe was a hot, dense soup of particles. As it expanded and cooled, these particles began to coalesce, forming the first atoms. Over time, gravity pulled these atoms together to form clouds of hydrogen and helium gas. These vast, swirling clouds are known as nebulae, the cosmic nurseries where stars are born. In the heart of these nebulae, gravity works its magic. The intense gravitational pull causes the gas and dust to collapse into a dense core. As the core compresses, it heats up, eventually igniting nuclear fusion and giving birth to a new star. But that's just the beginning of the story. Surrounding the newborn star, a flat, rotating disk of leftover gas and dust remains. This is the protoplanetary disk, the birthplace of planets. Within this disk, tiny particles of dust and ice start sticking together, forming larger and larger clumps. Over millions of years, these clumps grow into planetesimals, then into protoplanets, and finally into the planets we know today. Our own solar system was formed in much the same way. About 4.5 billion years ago, a nebula collapsed under the weight of its own gravity, giving birth to our sun and the protoplanetary disk that would eventually form the planets, including our Earth. Gravity is the key player in this grand cosmic ballet. It's the force that pulls together the atoms in a nebula, ignites the birth of a star and shapes the formation of planets. It's the reason why planets orbit stars, why moons orbit planets, and why entire galaxies cluster together in the vast expanse of the universe. Gravity, the cosmic glue, holds together these celestial bodies, giving us the cosmic neighborhood we call home. So, the next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember that you're looking at a cosmic dance choreographed by gravity. Human curiosity has driven us to explore beyond our home planet, to reach out for the stars. But what have we discovered? From the launch of the first artificial satellite, Sputnik 1, by the Soviet Union in the late 1950s, our understanding of the cosmos has grown exponentially. That little beeping ball orbiting Earth marked the start of the space age, paving the way for a series of extraordinary achievements. In the 60s, the United States Apollo program became a beacon of human ambition, culminating in the historic Apollo 11 mission. Who can forget the immortal words of Neil Armstrong as he took that first step on the moon's surface? That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. Indeed, it was a leap that forever changed our perspective of our place in the universe. Fast forward to the turn of the century, and we see the International Space Station, a symbol of global cooperation in the pursuit of knowledge. Orbiting Earth every 90 minutes, it serves as a home where astronauts conduct scientific research, unraveling the mysteries of life in space. Now let's journey to Mars, our neighboring red planet that has been the focus of numerous missions. From NASA's rovers like Spirit, Opportunity, and the more recent Perseverance, we've been able to explore Mars's surface like never before. These robotic explorers have found evidence of water, raising exciting questions about the possibility of life beyond Earth. And let's not forget the role of private space companies. With the likes of SpaceX and Blue Origin, we're seeing a new era of space exploration, one that promises to take us further into the cosmos than ever before. Through the combined efforts of different space agencies and private companies worldwide, we've achieved incredible feats. We've sent spacecraft to the farthest reaches of our solar system, landed rovers on Mars, and even captured images of distant galaxies. Through space exploration, we've extended our reach beyond Earth, making the universe our new frontier. As we stand on the precipice of new discoveries, what does the future hold for space exploration? Let's delve into the exciting possibilities that lie ahead. We're entering an era where space exploration is not solely the domain of national space agencies, but also of private companies, which are playing an increasingly significant role. The competition is heating up, pushing the boundaries of what's achievable and bringing a fresh perspective to the field. One upcoming mission that's creating a buzz is the Artemis program by NASA, aiming to land the first woman and the next man on the moon by 2024. This mission is more than just a lunar landing. It's a stepping stone for future manned missions to Mars and beyond, serving as a testbed for new technologies and strategies. And speaking of Mars, the dream of setting foot on the red planet has never been closer to reality. With advancements in technology and our understanding of Mars's environment, we might just witness the first manned mission to Mars within the next couple of decades. Yet our exploration isn't limited to our solar system. The James Webb Space Telescope, set to launch soon, will peer into the most distant reaches of the universe, letting us glimpse at the first galaxies that formed after the Big Bang. This powerful observatory will revolutionize our understanding of the universe, answering questions we haven't even thought to ask yet. Private companies too are making their mark. SpaceX with its Starship, Blue Origin with its New Glenn, and many more are ushering in a new era of space tourism and commercial space travel. These enterprises are not only making space more accessible, but they're also driving innovation and fostering a sense of global collaboration. The future of space exploration is bright, with new missions and technologies promising to further our understanding of the universe. As we venture into the cosmos, we continue to push the boundaries of human knowledge and capability. This is an exciting time to be alive, as we stand on the brink of a new frontier in space exploration. So, what have we learned about our universe so far? We've journeyed back to the very beginning, witnessing the birth of the universe, an event of unimaginable scale and power. From the chaos of the early cosmos, patterns began to emerge, leading to the formation of planetary systems. These celestial bodies, scattered across the vast expanse of space, each hold their own unique stories of creation and evolution. We've marveled at the wonders of space exploration, at the sheer tenacity and ingenuity of humankind in our quest to understand the universe. Our probes and rovers have touched alien soil, our telescopes have peered into the farthest reaches of space, and our astronauts have left footprints on the moon. Looking ahead, we've glimpsed a future of space exploration that promises even greater discoveries. New technologies, new missions, and perhaps even new life forms are all possible. Our journey through the universe is far from over. As we continue to explore, who knows what new discoveries await us among the stars.